The Action Pistol Steel Club match is an action shooting sport using reactionary steel targets. Our targets include plate racks, Texas stars, dueling trees, double spinners, poppers, and steel plates with a center bonus area. This match is for all skill levels, including people that have never participated in an organized match. The Courses of Fire will challenge the most advanced competitors, while the newer shooters will be with an experienced instructor that will guarantee a safe, low-stress environment while learning the rules and procedures of sport shooting. The required equipment is a semi-automatic pistol with commercial-grade holsters that fits on the outside of the belt and allows the shooter to holster with one hand. At least 4 magazines with holders that fit on the outside of the belt, and eye and ear protection. The skill level requires a comprehensive understanding of the 4 basic rules of firearm safety and the ability to demonstrate safe handling and shooting of firearms. This match is for steel lovers and shooters that have never experienced the instant gratification of an audibly confirmed hit. So come on out and join us on the 3rd Saturday of every month. I guarantee you'll have a great time.
I really enjoy this action pistol. It's great for beginners. The environment is very relaxed, so it's easy for beginners to get into, so I highly recommend it.
I like this running around and changing magazines and trying to go fast and just learning how to shoot, and there's a lot of cool people here, so it's just a lot of fun.
I like shooting the action pistol. It's a lot of fun, and the people you shoot with are very nice. It's a great facility to shoot.
We're here at California Tactical Academy. I love this place. You get a wide variety of targets, a wide area to just like run around and shoot. It's awesome.